Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you? How are you doing? Let me sip a bit of a coffee because it's early right now, but I just decided to discuss a bit about EGLD because it is happening the same thing again. However, today we are a bit more bullish than usual, or a bit more bullish than we were before. And let me explain you why. So before we go on to the chart and we discuss what happened yesterday with the bullhead formation, as you could see, actually me tweeting about, because I just made up a brand new formation. Everybody should learn about this. I don't know if it's bullish or bearish. However, we do want to chase the tail, okay, not the, So I was invited to Steven's podcast or Steven's YouTube channel to discuss about me, what I did until now, how I started, how I'm going to continue. You should go and subscribe to this channel because it was an interesting conversation and we touched on everything on crypto, Bitcoin, multiversx, EGLD, and also about why am I not a permabull, or maybe I am a bit permabull. Okay, you will find it in the interview. I don't think it's posted yet. It's not out yet, but it is coming very soon. So yeah, you should go and watch it. Now let's discuss about this bullhead formation because it is very interesting, and I have to say that right now it is much more bullish than before. Because first of all, let's discuss why this happens. Okay, why we have this weird and surprising movements, and what is coming right now, and what indicators I am using to somehow guess to speculate whether we are bullish or bearish. That is the most important thing. So first of all, this bullhead formation is with the two horns. For some people it would be a double top, and I want to say that this is not a double top because the second one is lower than the first one. Okay, so that is like cancelled. It's not a double top. Don't worry about it, and go back to sleep if you are a bear. Now, obviously, I am many times a bear. I am skeptic, I don't like to say that, okay, we are gonna send it. However, today, this time, the price behaves very different from what it behaved before. Therefore, I have a different opinion of what I had at this big week. Now, as you can see, the reason is that the price is already coming back. We are above the $50. We are already almost at 51. Of course, Bitcoin is helping our cause because it is at 40,700, and I think we are approaching the 48k. So I am waiting for that. I think that is the price target. And for EGLD, we are eagerly watching the $55. That is what I want to see EGLD breaking. However, in the meantime, we will have a couple of movements, okay? Because with EGLD, it's never that easy, okay? It's never that predictable. And I'm gonna tell you why in just a second. Now, right now, it is pumping. It came back to the Fibonacci support level, to the 0.5, which is good. It means that it has a good correction. Maybe I should just go down to 1 hour, yes. And it is heading towards the head again, towards the top. I don't know if it's going to correct again. I would say yes, that is what I expect. Maybe we will see like something like this. But if you see a turn at the 0.38 on Fibo, that is a very, very nice buy signal or open along signal. Now, why this is happening? Why we have these weird movements? And is this like a W or double bottom? Well, it could be, but it's not a nice one. And we could see that, okay, we have one bottom here, the other one here, neckline there, it is broken. So what is the price target? Price target should be something like this. So I'm just gonna measure this and put it there, and price target 57. I don't think that is the price target, and the reason I don't think it is because it's just too low. I don't think that 57 will be like the end of this big move since 1 month, okay, 5th of November. And for me, it's not possible, or I don't believe that for a 1 month of accumulation, the price target to be $57. For me, the price target is still the 70 and the 110, almost 110. Now the reason these are happening is because the market makers and people with the big money, they are trying the market. They want to know what is happening with the market. Are there people who will buy in? What they do is they create this surge and then wait, okay? And some people will sell it. Many people, I mean some people with big bags, usually people who bought it here, or maybe they just sell it here and they wait until the accumulation starts again, they buy again, it goes up and sell again. This is a good play of a 25% gains. However, this time it doesn't seem that it's crashing, and I do hope that it's not going to crash. Somebody said that EGLD is not tradable because it has a small volume, and that is actually true. However, I want to show you what was the difference in volume on this spike comparing to the ones before. And it's very easy to check it. You just need to go to CoinGecko and search for EGLD. As you can see, the usual volume is around, I should zoom in a bit, it's about $20 to $23 million, and right now we have 79, almost 80, but at the top of the week it was almost $100 million. So as you can see, the volume just quadrupled, okay? It went up like 4 times, and that caused this huge run up. So it is not very hard to explain what happened here, and the thing is that we will see many of these, okay? Because after 1 month of accumulation, after everything starts to move, Bitcoin moved, market makers were thinking that, okay, maybe it's time to move EGLD because the community might want to jump in, and that's great. In the meantime, I need to check earn. Okay, it's not there yet. In the meantime, we also have HTM, and HTM is at 2.8 almost. Very nice. It came out of this triangle, and I'm thinking very hard to buy back my bags, because if it continues like that, from this triangle, the price target is 3 point something, and the 3 point something is a gain of 23%. Now, since Atom is very small, I don't know if it's worth the risk, the 20-something%, because I put everything back in EGLD, and if EGLD does these kind of movements, Atom will not catch up very soon. It will catch up afterwards, okay? It will pump like first EGLD, then Atom. Same as altcoins and Bitcoin, okay? First Bitcoin, and then Ethereum, and then Atom. By the way, we can see that Bitcoin's surge or increase in value is legit, because Ethereum also went up. And that is the confirmation we wanted, okay? Money is entering the market. We had a nice weekend, workout, and I wouldn't be surprised if Monday, Tuesday, maybe until Wednesday, we would have a small correction, a small consolidation for these moves, and after that everything would just shoot out. At the same time, the Bitcoin dominance is going up. Now, if this starts to go up properly, okay, and Bitcoin starts to pump, then the altcoins will consolidate, will be corrected, because that's what usually we do. If you see a jump to, I don't know, 55 or even 60%, we will see some rats in the alt section. However, if it reaches this zone, then I will buy in very heavily in the altcoins, because that means that when this Bitcoin dominance starts to go down and correct itself, as it did here, for example, we will have a nice and very aggressive alt season. So yeah, in short, that's what's happening. EGLD is bullish, still bullish. I do think that it will go up. However, it needs to battle this very strong $55 resistance, after which we have the $70 as price target. If we discuss about RSI, we can see that here we had like a huge spike on the RSI as well. However, right now nothing is as, let's say, euphoric as it was before, so we do have chances to pump, and I am very happy to see that. If it comes back to the 47, that is still fine. We need a nice correction. However, I do think that we will continue the pump. I mean, that's what I'm hoping for. And after that, we will see a correction, maybe from the 55. Hope it's clear for everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, and also subscribe to Steven's channel. Take care.